Who knew looking great could be so easy? A customer favorite for years, the Port Authority Silk Touch sport shirts are soft, supple, and easy to care for. The silky smooth piqué knit resists wrinkles and helps you look your best. This piqué men's style has a striped trim on the collar and cuffs for a distinctive touch. The ladies' fit has a reverse placket and a feminine classic fit. In all styles, the 5-ounce 65-35 poly cotton piqué has flat knit collar and cuffs, double needle armholes and bottom hem, side vents, metal buttons with dyed-to-match rims. And choices abound. This shirt is available in long sleeve and short sleeve options for men, women, and youth. This shirt is also offered in a men's tall style, a long sleeve with pocket combination, and a crew neck style for a more casual look. The V-neck, maternity fit, and ladies 3/4 sleeve round out the collection. The same great yarn with an incredibly smooth finish, the Silk Touch Interlock Sport Shirt is available in a men's and ladies style. With our Port Authority Silk Touch Sport Shirts, looking great has never felt better.